I'm strongly advising you at least you can go hire an attorney for this one sole little.
Right off the bat, we can feel the desperation. No money, no lawyer, and a looming jail threat. But here's the truth. In court, I don't have money rarely stops the system. What would you do in his shoes? Risk representing yourself or beg for help?
Thing.
I don't have any money, Your Honor. I don't. She took $25,000 from me and split.
I don't know what else to tell you.
I don't have any money, so I don't want to go to jail. I don't know what to do.
I would stop having contact with BR.
But I need some paperwork from her.
And I told you how to
need
do it. I told you how
I
to
can't
do
afford
it.
an attorney, Your Honor. I'm at your mercy.
There's no mercy here. I cannot be merciful. I have nothing that I can do right here at this time. It's alleging that on or around June 13th, 2025.
This is a judge explaining, violating an injunction. In simple terms, a restraining order. Contacting a protected person, even by accident, can get you arrested fast. Ever wondered how strict these orders really are? You're about to find out.
You knowingly, you did so understandingly that you violated an injunction, which is a restraining order as people know it in lay terms. An injunction where you're not supposed to have any contact at all in any way, shape, or form at all with an individual in 24 CM 120. So they're alleging on June 13th, 2025, you violated that. You broke the law. You had contact. Don't say a word. You could, upon conviction, you could be fined not more than $10,000 and have incarceration of not more than 9 months in jail. So that's that maximum penalty associated with the charge and what the state would have to prove. Okay, and it's alleging that you did have contact, you knew you had contact, and you knew you weren't supposed to have contact with that domestic abuse injunction, okay? I would not say any facts about the case.
Boom. He's been talking to the wrong person. The prosecutor isn't his friend. That's literally the person trying to convict him. Imagine how lost you'd feel realizing that in the middle of court. Grimacing face.
Because anything that you say here today can be used against you, okay? But if you have a question, an administrative question, I can answer that.
I spoke to Jose and he didn't help me at all. I had a lot.
Not supposed to. He's the state. He's on the opposite side.
Oh, see, I don't know how this works.
Okay.
I have no idea how this works.
He's the attorney that prosecutes you, that he's wanting to protect the public interest and the allegations in both of these complaints because they're very similar. So he's not the guy who can help you.
Oh,
if you're looking,
I don't understand how any of this works.
Okay, so
I don't have enough money to buy an attorney right now. So
did you talk to? There was a gentleman, and I'm going to try and find somebody outside who can stop. Hey, why don't you please, one of you, run out? Mr. Flisky's right outside, and then we can get Mr. Flisky so he can talk with Mr. Morris to see if he qualifies. Thank you, Ms. Bauer. You talked to him already?
I talked to a woman the last time I was here.
Okay.
I don't qualify.
We don't need him.
I don't
Apparently
qualify
he doesn't
at all.
qualify. So, but thank you, Ms. Bauer. Okay, so you don't qualify.
Well,
okay.
She told me I can only make like $200 a month, and
No, it's not. It's not that. It's not $200 a month. It's like you probably own property. If you own property,
yeah, I do.
Then that's what
I own
cut you
quite
out.
a bit of property.
So, what you would probably like to do is retain your own attorney or apply for a court-appointed attorney, but that's still at your cost, and you'll still need to have money down. But if that's the route you wish to go, then you need to go outside and get that application when we're done here today. Fill it out today. It can't be any later today because I'm not going to wait until the next hearing to have you go, oh, I didn't do it. So you have to go fill that out today if you want a court-appointed attorney at your cost. It's $100 an hour, but that's far less than the other attorneys. You can pay $300 or $400 an hour for a private attorney. You can go that route too. That's totally up to you. But otherwise, it's a reduced rate at $100 an hour. Having these cases, you would need to pay $350 down.
I don't have any money, Your Honor.
Okay, so at this time, you're representing yourself, and that's fine, and you can do that. Not guilty plea is going to be entered on your behalf on this charge, as well as the last charge. But Mr. Villa, you're not his attorney. You don't represent him. He tried to talk to you about the case, but so with regards to this matter and your...
This moment's the judge's final warning. She's not just enforcing the law. She's spelling out a life lesson. Zero contact means zero. You can almost hear her saying, I'm trying to save you from yourself. What do you think? Is she being too harsh or just real?